Every personality is unique. In some cases, person's way of thinking and behaving can be destructive, both to others and to themselves. People with antisocial personality disorder have a mental health conditions that causes pattern of manipulations and violations of others around them. This condition overwhelms their personality. People with antisocial personality disorder can be witty, charming, and fun to be around, but they also lie and exploit others. ASPD makes people uncaring. Someone with the disorder may act rashly, destructively, and unsafely without feeling guilty when their actions hurt other people. Individuals with antisocial personality disorder often violate the law, becoming criminals. They may lie, behave violently or impulsively, and have problems with this disorder typically can't fulfill responsibilities related to family, work, or school. ASPD typically begins during childhood or early adolescence and continues into adulthood. People with ASPD display a long-term pattern of disregarding the law, violating the right of others. People with the disorder commonly don't care if they break the law. They may lie and place others at risk without feeling any remorse. Study in alcohol research and health state that about 3% of men and 1% of women have ASPD. The condition is much more common in men than in women. The exact cause of ASPD is unknown. Genetics and environmental factors may play a role. You may be at greater risk of developing the disorder if you are male and you were abused as a child, grew up with parents who had ASPD, grew up with alcoholic parents. Genes may make you vulnerable to developing antisocial personality disorder, and life situation may trigger its development. Changes in the way the brain functions may have resulted during brain development. Certain factors seems to increase the risk of developing antisocial personality disorder, such as diagnosis of childhood conduct disorder, family history of antisocial personality disorder or other personality disorder or mental health disorder, being subjected to abuse or neglected during childhood, unstable violent family life during childhood, men at a greater risk of having antisocial personality disorder than women are. Antisocial personality disorder signs and symptoms may include disregard for right and wrong, consistent lying or deceit to exploit others, being careless and disrespectful for others, using charm or wit to manipulate others for personal gain or personal pleasure, arrogance, a sense of superiority, and being extremely typically problem with the law, including criminal behaviors, impulsiveness or failure to plan ahead, hostility, significant irritability, agitations, aggressions or violence, lack of empathy for others and remorse about harming others, unnecessary risk taking or dangerous behavior with no regard for the safety of self or others, poor or abusive relationship, failure to consider the negative consequences of behavior or learn from them, being constantly irresponsible and repeatedly failing to fulfill work or financial obligations. Adults with antisocial personality disorder typically show symptoms of conduct disorder before the age of 15. The signs and symptoms of conduct disorder include serious, persistent behavior problems such as aggression towards people and animals, destructions of property, deceitfulness, theft, serious violations of rules. A diagnosis of ASPD cannot be made in people younger than 18. Symptoms that resemble ASPD in those people may be diagnosed as conduct disorder. People older than 18 can be diagnosed with ASPD only if there is a history of conduct disorder before the age of 15. A mental health provider can question individuals who are over 18 years about past and current behaviors. This will help detect signs and symptoms that could support a diagnosis of ASPD. You must meet certain criteria to be diagnosed with the condition. This include a diagnosis of conduct disorder before the age of 15, documentations or observations of at least 3 symptoms of ASPD since the age of 15. Research shows children and adolescents with conduct disorder are more likely to develop ASPD. Conduct disorder is similar to ASPD but is diagnosed in young people who repeatedly violate social norms and the rights of others. The disorder is hard to treat. People with ASPD rarely seek help on their own because they often think they don't need it. When treatment is sought, behavioral therapy or psychotherapy in individual or group setting may help. Doctors sometimes use certain psychiatric medications like mood stabilizers or some atypical antipsychotic to treat symptoms like impulsive aggressions. Sometimes people with antisocial personality disorder may not provide an accurate account of signs and symptoms. A key factor is diagnosis is how the affected person relates to others with permissions, family, friends, and may be able to provide helpful information. After a medical evaluation to help rule out other medical conditions, the primary care provider may make a referral to a mental health professional for further evaluations. Diagnosis of antisocial personality disorder is typically based on psychological evaluations that explore thoughts, feelings, relationship behaviors, pattern, and family history. Personal and medical history, symptom listed in Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorder DSM-5 published in American Psychiatric Association. Identifying antisocial personality disorder early may help improve long-term outcomes. Psychotherapy is also called talk therapy is sometimes used to treat antisocial personality disorder. Therapy may include, for example, anger and violence management, treatment for alcohol or substance misuse, and treatment for other mental health conditions. Psychotherapy is not always effective, especially if symptoms are severe and the person can't admit that he or she is going through a serious problems. There are no medications specially approved by the Food and Drug Administrations to treat antisocial personality disorder. Doctors may prescribe medications for conditions sometimes associated with antisocial personality disorder, such as anxiety or depression, or for symptoms of aggressions. Certain drugs are usually prescribed cautiously because they have the potential for misuse.